Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the DLux gold-rimmed plastic cups. You can get this product on Amazon for about $22. Check out the link in the description. The package comes with 50 gold-rimmed plastic cups and 50 paper straws. The plastic cups are about the size of a regular soda can, and the plastic is not too thin, so you can actually wash and reuse them. The plastic is marked as 6 PS. According to DLux, the straws are eco-friendly biodegradable paper straws, but I'm not sure if that also includes the gold pattern. Included with every purchase of DLux gold-rimmed cups is a cocktail recipe ebook. The gold-rimmed plastic cups and straws look better than regular plastic cups and straws, and you can use them for a lot of different events. So if you don't mind drinking from plastic cups instead of real drinking glasses, you might want to try the DLux gold-rimmed plastic cups for your next event. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.